Welcome back. In the last task, we began editing our homepage. In this task, we will continue to edit our homepage. So let's go ahead and change the image for the blog. Click on the image and follow the same process as you have for the other images to change it. For this image, search for the vintage road bike. Click on the vintage road bike, click Copy to Media Library, make sure it's selected, and then click Insert. Let's change the image settings in the editor to the right to show the following. We want to change the image style to be the bottom weave. Move the circle in the focal point picker to just below the pedals between the wheels. I want to be able to see the bike, so actually we'll move it up a little bit. So your horizontal position should be about 58 and your vertical position should be about 19%. Let's make sure the color overlay is black so that the text shows up. And then change the background opacity to 30. You can move the toggle button or you can type in 30. And also drop the arrows. There we go, 30. Change the text to read to learn more about cycling for leisure or sport. Visit our blog. More sport. Visit our blog. Let's make sure that all the text is boldface and that it fits on one line. We can make sure our text fits on one line by changing the custom size to 28. If you need more time, pause the video now to make these changes. Let's move down to the next block. Change the heading, Our Teachers, to read Our Clubs. And then leave the default settings for the heading. Change the text below the heading to read Our Clubs offer something for everyone. Our Road Riders Club offers an opportunity to participate in scheduled training rides with other athletes, and our Vintage Cycle Club offers an opportunity for leisure riders to join together and enjoy a scheduled scenic ride. Visit the club's page to learn more and check out the riding schedule and sign to join a ride. So we will add our clubs offer something for everyone. Our Road Riders Club offers an opportunity to participate in scheduled training rides with other athletes. Our Vintage Cycle Club offers an opportunity for leisure riders to join together and enjoy scheduled scenic ride. Visit the club's page to learn more. Check out the riding schedule and sign up to join a ride. Let's change the text in the blue call to action button to read Visit Our Clubs. Change the background color to black. Remember that's under color settings. Find the background color and change it to black. And then change the image for our clubs to match what is mentioned in the text. Use the same image replacement process and search for bicycles. You may choose to scroll down just a little bit to find an appropriate bicycle. We'll choose this one. Click Copy to Media Library. Make sure it's selected and then click Insert. Let's move down to the next block. In this block, we will post our most popular lessons offered at the shop. Change the first heading to Learn to Ride on the Road for Competition. Change the cost to $65. Change the text below the cost to single sessions. And then change these lines of text to black. You can change the lines of text to black by highlighting the text and then clicking on the color settings on the right. Change the background of the blue call to action button to black. Remember color settings, background, black. Change the next heading to learn to service your bike on the road. We want to change the cost to $50. And then change the text below the cost to single session. Change the background on the call button action to black if it's not already black. Then change the final heading to Riding Essentials, all about gear and nutrition. Change the cost to $100. And then change the text below to the cost to 4-session course. So type in session instead of week. And the background on the call to action button should also be black. Finally, let's make changes to the footer. Change the Balasana text for the love of bikes. Make sure that the center is the text is center aligned. And we will delete the text underneath. Change the text at the top of the second column to read questions. Change the size of the text to large and set it to bold-faced. Change the email to info@fortheloveofbikes.com. Leave the phone number as is, but change the address to 1 Market Square, San Antonio, Texas 12345. One Market Square, San Antonio, Texas 12345. We want to change the Saturday hours to 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we have now updated the home page. So let's click Update at the top of the page to make all of the changes. If you need more time to complete this task, pause the video now. In this task, we updated the home page and completed it. In the next task, we will begin to add additional pages to our website. The first will be the shop page.